Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to do dark mode in Google Chrome browser. So keep watching. In this tutorial I will show you very easy and simple steps to do that. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So here we are going to search Google Chrome. This is Google Chrome. Now my Google Chrome is open and we want to convert this browser as a dark mode. Okay, so how we can do that? Then you simply click on this three dot icon which is available on right hand top. You simply click on it and then click on these settings. So friend, here you can see this is my settings page, and left hand side you simply find out appearance which is available here. You click on it and now you are on appearance section. So friend, here you can do many things you can do one by one. I will make complete video about it, but right now we are looking for dark mode. Okay, so here you will find out the mode. Then you simply click on this drop down button and select dark. Boom. So friend, here you can see that my browser is converted into dark mode. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can enable dark mode in Google Chrome. If friend this video help you, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, comment me below what things you like. I request you guys, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.